Let's go up for a closer look. That's before, and this is the after effect. Look, it's decimated the chair. And it went through. Oh, look, it even broke the back leg. Look, it looks like there's dynamite. The balls are gone. You ignited the balls.
The shit like disintegrated.
The papered balls.
Where's the balls?
Yeah. Awesome weapon.